Hi YouTubers, we're at the storage facility, going to get Herb a motorhome out. Jane's waiting in the car. This part of the video is for Alex, TTXELA. Just thought I'd do this, and what it's to do with is condensation and humidity, this first part of the video. Now I'm going to get in the van and I'll show you what we do to help prevent mould and things like that. Right, let's open the curtain. Okay, let's get in. Okay, now we hang up in the van these bags. Can you see it? This one here, and it catches moisture like that. It's got crystals, and that's what it looks like. The water it's caught so far, and we'll replace these bags. They're like coat hanger type bags, dehumidifiers. Here's another one in the wardrobe. I only put two in. You can see how much water's in them, and I'll just show you the humidity gauge. Well, you can see that's the bottom one, and it's 90% humidity, and the temperature in here is about 12 degrees centigrade, and it's oh, what's the time now? It's 20 to 10 in the morning. Let's change that clock, by the way. So that gives you an idea what we used. Now we're not sure where all this moisture comes from, but one thing doesn't help is the fridge. When we've been on a journey and we come back to the storage, first thing we do is we jam the fridge door open, and it defrosts, doesn't it? It freezes a bit. We don't know where the water goes, so I assume it goes into the air or it runs down the back, but we really don't know where it goes. So if anybody can answer that on these fridges, when you defrost them, these three-way fridges, where does the water go? Anyway, so this little video, or start of the video, is for Alex. Now arrived at Rutland Water. I'll show you this. The temperature, we've got no heating on, the temperature is 20 degrees and it's about 70% on the humidity. So it's changed, and it will change again shortly. And we've got the sun on the front of the van, and we just pulled up, and we got here without the exhaust falling off. So we're going for a walk.
Oh, the sun goes in.
Yeah. Gosh, the last time we're here, the water was low, but it's even lower. It's normally right up to these stones. This is the beach area, those railings, and just notice, it's like being at the seaside. Look at all these. What are they, cockles? Jay? Well, these are, I think these are dead. This lot's dead. But yeah. I don't know.
That one isn't.
Well, some of them moved.
Yeah. Oh, weird.
Yeah. Gosh, I've never seen so many on it in a reservoir.
Are they limpets? I don't know. Must be fresh water.
I don't know what they are. These are alive. Yeah, even see the colours on some of the shells. Yeah. Gosh. Just shows you how much life there is for the birds. It's lovely. Look at that. I don't think they use these posts anymore, do they? Looking at that tree over there. What have we got? What level clothes have we got on today?
Oh, level
2.
2.
Yeah. Hello. Oh, some cyclists. More cyclists. Yeah, oh blimey. Loads of cyclists today. I didn't film anything across the dam because we're facing directly into the sun. Now we've got the sun behind us. Look how blue it is. Absolutely. Well, we're a bit sheltered this side. Here's some traffic near the road. I think we're so lucky choosing today. What was it? 16% chance of rain and 70 tomorrow. And Herb got us here anyway. Apart from a few screws falling out the roof vent.
Oh, yeah.
I'll have to fix that on the way back. Oh, another nice tree. Gosh. It's windy. A few sheep. Look at the blue sky again. Oh, the old church looks wonderful. Sitting there, it's glory in the sun. Oh, we're at the wind here. And we're heading for Cornish pasties and coffee and cake. You're going to be devastated if they haven't. So will I. It's a good view. And what have we got there? Vegetable and beef pasty.
We're not counting calories, are we?
No. And I've got triple chocolate cake. I've got 2 pieces. Right, let's get tucked in. Nice view again today. Is it clouding over, do you think?
Okay.
Yeah.
It's warm in here.
Yes, lovely. This is where you pick up the fishing boats, fly fishing, and that's the cafe up there. We've just been in and had that small piece of cake and that pasty. There's a little egret, look.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that, it's nice, isn't it? Just near the ramp, or whatever they call it. Path to the pontoon. Looks a bit threatening, doesn't it, the sky?
It's getting a bit cloudy.
Gosh. There's fishing down there. We've been here, the water's been up to this place, but at the moment, this is how far or how low the reservoir is. See the church? Oh, this in front of us. It's underwater. That's a lot of water. It's missing, isn't it? You can see how low it is. Yeah. You're going up to the old road. There might be a gate across it though. Yeah. Gosh. I can't believe that. We would have been underwater just then. Oh yeah, nice avenue up there. This must have been part of the old road to one of the villages before they built the reservoir. The way it's cracked. Right, let's go up here then. A minute ago it was spitting with rain and we come over all grey, and now look at it. Shadow, hello. Can you see our van?
Yes,
Behind that little tree in the distance, yeah. Yeah, it's lovely. We're not sure, but there's 4 little egrets, but we think that's a big one. That's a big one. So that might be. Is there such thing as a large egret? It's about double the size of the others. There's that one there, just there, and then there's the little ones are there. 1, 2, 3. So how many have we seen today? 5. 5? One coming. One at the.
Oh, 6 then.
6. Yeah. That one's definitely huge compared to the others. Just come back from our 5-mile walk, and the temperature in the van is about 18. Looking at that, and the humidity is 70, which is not bad. You're knackered. Yeah, I am as well. Yeah, it's gone very grey. Looks like it's going to rain. We had the best part of the day.